Reckless retiree here, sweating to death in my garage. And it's only 70-some degrees out, if even that. Strange. Anyway, I was sitting here with this fan blowing in the window, and I was sneezing like crazy, and then I realized, well, maybe it's allergies. So I had this old filter, which was the wrong size. Our filter for our furnace is 16 by 24 by 1. And it wouldn't fit, so I didn't want to return it. Didn't know what to do with it. So I had this brilliant idea of putting it in the window, filling up the space on the little bit of space on the edge there with some cardboard and some duct tape. We were talking hillbilly engineering here. But anyway, so now when I run my fan, I won't be pulling in the pollen from outside, making me sneeze like that. I'm not sneezing anymore, and I'm nice and cool.